Hey guys! So, nakikita niyo naman yung hawak ko ngayon, no? This is the new DJI mini mic that I think it's been siguro it's been in my radar for the past year. I don't know kailan to nailabas. Pero yeah, bubuksan ko tong box. So for now, binili ko isang receiver lang. And apparently I like it. I kinda like it. So ano yung reason kung bakit bumili ako ng box nung gamit na 'to or nung microphone na 'to? So for those who know me, me and my wife did a podcast before, early 2023. And actually, I kinda love the idea of speaking about whatever I want to say or whatever topic we want to talk about. Now, because of challenges in our situation, I had to work outside our hometown without my wife with me. So, right now parang nami-miss ko yung ganun na scenario. Na yun, ang ginagawa kasi namin is that we go out every Sunday and then just record anywhere. Noon nga nasa coffee shops pa kami within Iloilo. So yun, na-miss ko yung gano'n, na-miss ko yung gano'n. At the same time, I'm currently battling personal anxieties. And siguro I think this is one of the escapes that I wanted to do. So naisip ko, ever since din kasi nung college, I really love doing contents. Not only in the form of videos, kasi nung college hindi naman uso yung videos, but with photos, digital art, whatever. I find the fun of doing those things. Kasi parang I'm happy to see an output after the effort. And then at the same time, enjoy it. Enjoy doing it. I love the challenges of arranging things and then creating an output. So ito, ngayon, I purchased one of this just to see, planning to create a content, a channel for me to talk about anything as a makwentong tao. So ito, I'll be using this DJI mic. As you can see, what I'm holding here is the receiver, or rather the hot shoe for the charging port of the receiver, the micro USB, or rather the USB-C connector for the receiver. I guess transmitter pala yung yung mic mismo. So yan, na-attach ko lang to. And then yun, naano lang kasi ako, siguro one way for me to battle the anxiety that I'm experiencing right now is just to technically express myself. So I know ever since I was in college, hindi kasi engineering ang first love ko talaga, but rather in the digital arts. Nagagalingan ako sa cinematography, sa photography, and everything else. Pero because of opportunity, I had no way to do that craft before. Kumbaga, hindi siya aligned pa sa situation ko last time. So, I still love engineering kasi I've been working with it for the past 10 years. 9 years na pala, 9 years. Ayun. So, here, ano na din to kwento with a little bit of review of what I have right now. So, for those I'm planning to create, or for those who wants to check, or rather to follow what I'll be doing. I'm planning to create a YouTube channel and at the same time post in TikToks or TikTok as well. So I'll be doing this during my pastime lang in the evening, when I'm talking to myself. Practically. So, ang plan kong ano, mga content would be any commentary of whatever's on the ano, on the newsfeed and whatever topic that ano, trip ko lang pag-usapan. Tingnan niyo 'to ngayon, oh. Ito yung itsura niya kapagka ano, kapag nilagyan nung parang ano, parang, air muffler. Muffler ba ang tawag diyan? Yan, naastigan ako kasi parang buhok ni Donald Trump. Astig lang siya tignan 'no. Ayun. I've been eyeing this product kasi based on the outputs or reviews niya 'no, ang ganda ng ano niya ng, recording niya. Before we bought a Rode ata or Boya na wired microphone. Pero ang problema ko sa niya medyo may muffling din. And then ang medyo late yung niya, yung pag-adjust niya sa volume. So nung na-try ko 'tong DJI, ang ganda nung niya, literal plug and play. And then ganda din nung magnet. So yun, ito na, sine-set up ko lang yung itsura nung or yung inclusions dun sa box. So this is a DJI Mic Mini na 1 receiver, 1 transmitter lang. So next time siguro pagka ang settled down na kami, siguro I'll be buying another one for my wife. So yan. So thank you for listening, and then na-arrange ko lang. But thank you for listening, and then I hope that you would follow whatever outputs that I'll be doing in the future. Thank you, and God bless.